Mark, I'm going to throw it over to you at Dataiku and talk about where you all are in this space, what you're seeing across the public sector and perhaps the private sector.
Great, thank you, Luke. At Dataiku, we're making great progress in helping our clients accelerate and scale enterprise AI. It was great to hear David and Jerry talking about, needing to focus on the right use cases. We focus on three key imperatives to help federal agencies become more data-driven and drive adoption on data science and AI. Number one, we need to equip our current workforce with capabilities and tools to become more data literate, to get more resources to the mission. Whether you're an Excel super user or you're a PhD data scientist, we need you in the fight. We're in a race after all. And we're not going fast enough. We don't have enough of people focused on this type of work. MITRE did a study recently that showed about 150,000 potential data science workers in DoD that were not coded as data scientists. So we're really focused on getting these people engaged in data science and productive on the right use cases. Number two, we need to ensure that we're designing and building trustworthy AI applications. A couple of folks have mentioned that already. If they're not trusted, they won't be used, and then the value is lost. So how do we do that? We've got a number of ways of doing that through data lineage, through a very transparent workflow, where everybody involved in building an application can see what has happened from step one all the way through implementation in a workflow. And then the third is moving at the speed of mission. As a government and as a country, we have to be going a lot faster. We're making good progress in each of these areas, but what we see a lot are agencies saying, well, I can't really get after data science in a real way until I move my data to the cloud. I can't really do the things I want to do until I put everything I have into a data lake and do this whole labeling project. We really believe with the right capabilities and getting everybody engaged together, you can do these things simultaneously. So that's really what we're focused on, and we're making great progress. We're working all across the government, from defense through federal, civilian, and state and local. And, a lot of times customers will ask us, what does your AI do? And we have to explain to them, well, there are endless use cases for AI. And Dataiku is here to help you design and build and deploy those in your current architecture.